Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Landlord Studio app is and how it's positioned. According to its official website and App Store listings, Landlord Studio is a property management and rental accounting app designed for landlords and property managers. It is built to help users manage rental properties, finances, and tenants from a single mobile and desktop platform. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to track income and expenses for each property, replacing manual spreadsheets with digital accounting tools. It also supports online rent collection, where payments can be automated and tracked within the system. According to official features, users can create rental listings, screen tenants, and manage applications directly through the platform. The app includes reporting tools that generate financial reports such as profit and loss statements and tax-related summaries. Maintenance management features are also included, allowing tenants to submit requests and landlords to track and prioritize tasks. Official information mentions bank feed integration and receipt scanning, which may help automate transaction tracking and expense logging. Users can set reminders for tasks like rent due dates or compliance deadlines, helping keep property management organized. The platform is cloud-based and typically requires creating an account, with some features limited depending on the plan or number of properties managed. Some advanced tools such as tenant screening reports or automation features may depend on region, subscription level, or configuration, and this is not confirmed for every user. This app may be useful for landlords who want to manage accounting, rent collection, and tenant communication in one place. For users interested in simplifying rental management and tracking finances digitally, this could be an option. However, overall effectiveness depends on how the system is set up and used, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.